Hello students, today I will be explaining you how to open a text file in append mode. Basically, appending is another way to add data in an existing file. It means writing more data at the end of an existing file. The appending helps you to extend an old file with some new data. So whenever you want to add some new data to your previously existing file, you need to open it in append mode. Generally, whenever you write the content in data in writing mode, so it will always overwrite the previous data. But if you want to add new data without overwriting previous data, so you need to open your file in append mode. You have to remember some key points for appending the data in a file. The first thing is file needs to be open in append mode in Python. Means when you will open a file, so you have to specify the append mode. And for this file mode parameter A, you have to pass in place of W. Previously we were passing W for writing, but this time we will pass A for append while opening the file through open function. You can see here example f equals to open notes.txt and A. Here A denotes append mode. You can understand this with the help of this practical implementation example. Here, see here f equals to open notes.txt comma A. Here notes.txt file is being opened in append mode and I am writing some line of text with the help of write function f.write. Welcome to learning Python. Another line you can write here, another line you can write here, and finally this data will be added at the end of previously existing file notes.txt without overwriting the previous data. So this is the way how you have to append the data or how you have to work with append mode. You can see here the same example you have to try if you have installed Python in your computer system at home. So you can write this simple program of append mode, and here actual code from the Python window I have taken. So the same code you can type in your computer and you can test this code. This is for appending the data. Data you can write of your choice, but the code will remain same. And after writing this data, you can check with the help of opening this file in read mode. So you will be able to open your file and check whether the data is appended or not. This is the another program you have to make for reading the notes.txt file to check the appended data, and this will look like this. When you will run this file, this second program, so this will display this first line was the existing line of this file, and these three new lines I have added. It means we have successfully appended the data in our file. Now few questions you have to try with the help of this example, and you have to make sure that your program must run. You can take help of the given example. So the first question what you have to do is write a program to enter name, class and